좋아했거든. 그 남자.
Namaste Dharti Vasio. Welcome to our channel. I'm Sweetie.
Nemo here.
So guys, today is 3rd January and it is Blackpink member Jisoo's birthday.
Woo! So,
Happy birthday Jisoo. So Jisoo is my bias from Blackpink.
and she is totally amazing.
Yes.
Like if you've seen the Blackpink videos,
Yes.
she is absolutely the visual.
Yes.
The way she comes in and her styling in Blackpink is very, from contrast, from very dark, backgrounds and all that.
Yeah,
and she
yeah,
stands
yeah.
out very royal,
Yeah, yeah.
So
She
it's-
has that.
Yes. So that is amazing.
So I also love Jisoo's voice because I find it to be slightly on a deep.
Deep,
Yeah.
yes.
So she doesn't have a thin voice as we say.
Yeah.
She has a nice deep voice, and I really love her voice.
Yes.
So guys, today on her birthday, we are going to check out her new series Snowdrop,
wow.
which apparently is going very hit.
Okay.
Yeah, it had its few. I guess there were some issues because the drama is set up in in the era of 1987, where there were some major political events going on in South Korea.
Okay.
So because of that, there was some claims happened, and there was a court thing also going on in between to take the drama off.
Okay.
But thank God, the court has ruled out, and the drama will be aired. It will be continued to air. So that's a very, very, very good thing because they all have worked so hard for this.
Do you know what this drama is about?
Yeah. So
Because I have
basically-
no idea.
So basically, it's the era of 1987 in Seoul,
Okay.
where some major political events are going on. So basically, it was that they wanted to have a voting system and to demolish the authoritativeness.
Okay.
So I think that's what it was. And in that time, Jisoo found out a boy played by Jung Hae-in. We have seen Jung Hae-in in Goblin and Prison Playbook. So basically, she finds out that Jung Hae-in is covered in blood.
Okay.
And what Jisoo does is that she hides him from the government and she keeps him in her college dorm.
Okay.
So and they fall in love. And I think Jung Hae-in is a North Korean spy.
Oh.
I think so. He's a North Korean spy. So let's see what happens because they both fall in love.
Okay.
And I think Jisoo has done a few roles, but this is her acting debut. So do let us know, guys, if this is her acting debut because we think this is her acting debut.
Think this must be your first lead.
Yeah, first lead role.
Wow.
Very excited because
Very excited.
we love Jisoo.
I mean, she does look so visual. So obviously, her
Yeah.
acting would be like that,
Yeah. And she's playing this again a cute college girl. So I think she is the perfect for
Yeah.
the role.
Yeah. Let's see.
Yeah, so without any further ado, let's start.
첫눈에 반한다는 말이 뭔가 했거든. 그 남자를 본 순간 단박에 알았어. 잠깐 손이 스쳤을 뿐인데 심장이
Oh my
쿵.
god, Jung Hae is also looking so handsome.
이런 게
Oh.
첫사랑일까? 우리 다시 볼 수 있는 거죠? 우리
Oh.
So
Wow.
I think
Yeah.
Jung
There is
Hae-
something more to.
more to
Yeah,
it.
yeah. Because I think he must have not. Must be wanting to just infiltrate and like that, but then
Or is
like
he using Jisoo? or
yeah, like wanting to use Jisoo, but then in the end, I guess even he falls.
in love?
Yeah, something like that. But let's see. Yeah,
but
the
it's-
trailer didn't give much except that they fall in love, and then in
Yeah.
the end, there is just a question mark whether he is really in love or he was pretending.
Yeah, I mean, but by the way, Jung Hae and Jisoo look
Amazing.
amazing together.
Yes.
They look so beautiful together. Wow. It's and Jisoo is like gorgeous as usual. She's
Looking
gorgeous.
very beautiful.
Yeah.
Yeah, like that innocent
Exactly,
college
and
girl.
she's
Yeah.
exactly able to portray that innocent college girl look, like who is like simply in love.
Yeah. Let's see how the
Yeah.
show goes.
Yeah. So
Is it on some portal?
yeah, it's on Disney Plus Hotstar, but I don't think so. It's right now it's not available in India. I checked it, so I'm not able to see Snowdrop in India right now. Hopefully soon we'll be able to see it because this drama seems to be really interesting.
I think it'll be on.
Yeah. So guys, hope you enjoyed our reaction to Snowdrop K-drama trailer reaction. If there are any other K-dramas that we should check out, please comment down below. Make sure you subscribe because a lot of Blackpink and K-drama content will keep coming out. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon. Bye.